In 2015, the most unlikely crew pulled off Britain's biggest robbery. 4 pensioners with a combined age of over 400 years. The oldest was 76. They called themselves the Diamond Wheezers. For months, they studied the Hatton Garden Safe Deposit Building, memorized guard schedules, mapped every security camera. Over Easter weekend, when London was quiet, they struck. They disabled the alarm system with inside knowledge, used a massive drill to bore through 2 feet of reinforced concrete. Then came the hard part, squeezing through a 20-inch gap into the vault. These elderly men, some with walking sticks, crawled through spaces that would challenge athletes. In 3 days, they emptied 73 safety deposit boxes, 14 million pounds in cash, gold, and diamonds. The perfect crime. Except for one thing. Police had been watching them for months. Hidden cameras captured everything. Secret microphones recorded their conversations. But what really brought them down? They couldn't agree how to split the money. Greed and arguing led to their arrests within weeks. The oldest bank robbers in history, undone by the oldest motive of all,